Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Prof. Jati and all of my friends. Today, I am going to presentate about the earned value management in construction management subject to submit and to complete my assignment from Prof. Jati. Okay, we are going to talk about an earned value management in the construction project. Okay, so next slide, we have the key terms in the earned value management. First is the plan value. Plan value is the budget cost of the scheduled work. And then for the earned value is a budget cost of the completed work. So this is two of the most important key terms of the earned value management. Third one is the actual cost, is the actual money spent on the completed work, on the specific completed work. And the last is the budget at the completion, which is the total project budget plan. Okay, next is the formula of the earned value management. First is the earned value. We have the percentage of the completed work times the budget plan. And then for the SPI, which the scheduled plan index for the scheduled performance. And the CPI is the completed cost plan index, which for the cost performance, and then the ETC is estimated to complete, and then for the EAC is the estimate at the completion. Okay, we are moving on to the case study of the project. We have the constructions of a two-story office building, a simple building located in Semarang, with the duration of the projects around 6 months. The total budget is 1.2 billion. And for the scope of the works, we have a foundation, the structural framing, the roofing, interior, and the finishing. Okay. So for the progress of the work after 3 months, we assume we have 50% of the total work, and then the work done, it's only 40% of the total work. And the cost plan, or the AC, the actual cost, is 600 million. This is the frame of the half of the project work, because at the previous slide, we have the project durations around 6 months. So we have the 50% of the total work of the plan, and the 600 million rupiah of the actual costs have been spent. Okay, this is the charts that I have prepared. The plan value, we have 600 million, and then the earned value 480 million, but the actual cost is 600 million. So it's not stable. It is not good, actually. Why? Because let's see here, the earned value analysis. Okay, the earned value analysis formula, as we explained before, the total work times the total budget, around 480 million, and then that's for the earned value. And then the second one, the plan value, is the 50%, because the plan of the work done is actually 50%. At the third month of the project, time the 1.2 billion, around 600 million rupiah. And then for the actual cost that must be spent, around 600 million rupiah. Okay, we are moving on to the SPI, which is the scheduled performance index. We have the earned value over the plan value. This is for the formula, and then the answer for the SPI value is 0.8, which is behind the schedule. So it is not on schedule. And then for this cost performance index, the earned value over the actual cost, 480 over the 600, you have 0.8. Also, this is an over budget. planning, over budget actual work. So it is not good. Okay, this is one for the forecasting costs, the ETC, which is the total budget plan minus the earned value over the cost performance index. We have 900 million rupiah for the estimated to completion, and for the estimated at completion, or the EAC, is the actual cost uh, plus the ETC, around 1.5 billion. So the forecast, the project will cost 300 million more than the budget. That's why this is why at the plan value and the earned value analysis, the cost CPI, or the cost performance index, is over budget. So we can predict this before the project has done, to evaluate, to face the challenge, and to give the mitigation, or the alternative for the projects ahead. Okay, this is for the key takeaways. So the earned value management gives early warning, like I said before, for the corrective actions. And then this project also behind the schedule and over budget. This is the answer for the EVM management. And then the team, or the managers, or the contractor need to take an actions. For example, for this case, need to make a reschedule for a better timing consumption, and also to reduce the cost because it is over the budget plan. All right. So this is the advantages and disadvantages of the earned value management. First is to the EVM can integrate the cost and also the schedule, improve the decision making for the contractor, and also enables the forecasting. And the disadvantages, it requires the very accurate progress tracking. So this is why we need to monitor and track the progress, maybe in a week, so we can make a weekly report, a weekly meeting, and also we can make a daily report, so we know the progress in every day, every single day of the work. And the last, it could be complex for small detail or the small projects. Okay, so this one is the abbreviations of the earned value management that, like I said before, this is, we have the earned value, the planned value, and the actual cost and everything. And now we are going to move on to another project's case study that I have prepared in my Excel. I will switch the share screen. Wait. Oh. Okay, I hope we can see the this Excel clearly. Okay, this one is a 36 square house Asker, so we can track all the progress, all the work that need to be checked, that need to be evaluated in each days and each month, so we can know the percentage of the progress that's been done. Okay, this is the Asker. I will explain the. I will try to use the earned value management technique on this 36 squared house planning experts. Okay, we have right here is the S-curve with the blue line for the plan value, and then the orange line for the actual progress value. All right, and then now we are going to find the, okay, we can see right here. Maybe we can try to track the progress within 3 months, 3 months work, or maybe, oh, this one is the 4 months. So the first week of the of April, because for this house, 36 square house project, we only need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, around 5 months and 3 weeks. and we contract this project at the first week of April. So the first week at the month 4. So for the blue line will show us the planned progress around month 1, 82.4%. I will write on my paper. Okay, we have uh, the plan value 82.48%, and for the actual progress is 87, which is the earned value. 87. Okay. All right. Next, we are going to evaluate and to give an analysis of the earned value. First, we are going to find the earned value calculations. So to find the earned value calculations, the percentage of the work, 82.4% times the total budget. The total budget is 163 million. So we can write. I think it is better for me to write it in the Excel. Okay, for the plan has 82.48%, and for the actual and for the progress actual 87.00. Okay, and then we need to find the earned value. The EV is the 82.48. 82.48 times the 160 point of 334,315. Okay, this is the E earned value, and then for the plan value is 87 times 163. The total budget was 163,334,315 rupees. So okay, so we have the earned value and the plan value. Okay, now we are going to evaluate the SPI, or the schedule index, and the CPI, or for the cost index. How to find the SPI? SPI. So SPI is EV over the actual cost. So the actual cost, I'll write here, actual cost for the around 80% of the work is around 142,100,880 rupees. Okay, so for the EV is EV over the actual cost, and then for the CPI, is PV over the actual cost. Okay, let's calculate. EV over the actual cost. Okay, 94. And then for the CPI is PV over the actual cost. Okay, we have 19. Okay, am I right? Am I right? Hang on a sec. Oh, sorry. I have wrong. It is wrong formula. I'm so sorry. Missed a little bit. Also for the SPI is the EV over PV, and for the PPI is EV over AC. Ah, okay. I'm so sorry. So for the earned value over the plan value. Okay, 0.9. This is the correct answer for this 36 square house budget plan. And then for the cost performance index, we have the EV over the actual cost. Okay, we have. Oh, I think I missed a little bit. It must be. Oh, I'm so sorry. We have the wrong actual cost. The actual cost must be 1,667,452. This is the 80% of the budget plan. Nah, this one is the right answer. Okay. So this is actually must be. Let me have to make this one. Ah, okay. Okay, then this must be. Yes, this is must be 1 uh 1.03. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, for the SPI is 0.9 and for the CPI is 1.03. And what can we conclude for this? The earned value, for example, this one, the earned value of the SPI at the SPI calculations, the earned value is uh, lower or smaller than the plan value, means that the SPI is on schedule or before the schedule. So it is very good progress by the contractors. And also for the CPI, if the EV is if the EV is larger than the actual cost like this, and then the answer is 1.03, means the CPI or the cost is not over the budget. Okay, so it's still right, still on the right track of the budget, so it's still good. So to sum up this calculations, the SPI, which is the schedule performance index, is totally fine. And for the cost performance index, it is still on the right track of budget. We don't need to uh spend extra budget due to the over budget, but it is still on the right track. As we can see at the at this beautiful S curve. Okay, so the S curve still shows us that the progress of the, sorry, there's a lagging on the axis. So the here before the plan, the actual progress is still under the plan, but it made the actual sweet spot between the plan and the actual, and then after that, the actual progress has a better curve than the plan because first it the progress is before the schedule or on schedule. It goes faster, and then it is not over budget plan. The budget is not over, so it is still on the good uh plan, and that's all for the case study for the earned value management case study. Thank you so much, Prof. Jati, and all of my friends for watching and listening my presentations. I hope we can get more knowledge and get better understanding for this subject. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.